What's up everybody, it is a sneaker plug here. Today I want to give you guys a close detail review of the Louis Vuitton Air Force 1 by Virgil Abloh that has been produced recently. I have bought this sneakers from RosaSneaker's VIP website for $169. You can get them for lower price by using my discount code, ROSA10. Watch the entire video if you want to check all details of those amazing replica sneakers by RosaSneakers.
So yes, as you guys can see, we do have the Louis Vuitton Air Force 1. Let's start off with the sneaker. I'm not gonna waste no time, let's just get into this review. I'm gonna treat it like a regular Air Force 1 at first, but you're gonna quickly see it's not a regular Air Force 1. So starting off at the bottom, you do have just that regular brown Air Force 1 bottom. Then you make your way up into this cream midsole with the air writing. You have two airs, obviously you have the off-white type of air writing, and then your regular Air Force 1 midsole air writing. The entire upper has a Louis Vuitton print all over it. Now it switches between the regular, just the pattern, and then the checkered print. Right from the back, you do have that checkered print right there with Louis Vuitton Paris written on the back. And I'm not gonna lie, I really like the subtle accents of the gold. Like, it's not doing too much, it still kind of fits in with the shoe. You go into this brown leather upper. Now you have the brown paneling all along the sides right here with that Louis Vuitton print going throughout the whole sneaker, and then it goes back to that checkered print on the Nike swoosh. Underneath the entire paneling of the sneaker, you do have this brown trim that kind of goes around it. More of a tan trim. It matches the lining of the sneaker, and I feel like if that didn't have that, it would not be as fire as they are. Something about that trim around the entire sneaker just makes it pop so much more. It really gives it an effect to the swoosh, as well as to show the difference between the two patterns. The same pattern going around the toe cap. Going into the toe box of the sneaker, you do have that checkered print yet again. Now that is pretty much just the two main color scheme throughout the entire sneaker, and I feel like it was a perfect balance. Like, they didn't do too much, they kept it very simple, but as well screaming Louis Vuitton and Virgil. Going up the sneaker, you do have the cream laces to accent the midsole, and if you turn to the inside of the shoe, you will see that Louis Vuitton writing in that off-white style. It says Louis Vuitton for Nike, and then underneath you can't see it because the swoosh covers it, but it says Vuiton, Oregon, and all the normal stuff that the off-whites say. See 1982. All in all, are these sneakers worth $100,000? I don't think any sneaker is worth $100,000, but these are definitely beautiful. The leather is insane. The craftsmanship is insane. I love the way that this looks. The color scheme is beautiful.